Together strong, no storm could break. Side by side, they worked as one. With love the cornerstone, their labor had begun. The villagers watched, their whispers grew. Why do they build as they do? This house is strange, it cannot be, for it's not built as we're used to see. Oh, build your house on love, strong stone, a foundation unshaken, forever known. When storms arise and the skies turn gray, a house built on love will never sway. Oh, trust in the hands that guide you through, for love is the strength that makes all things new. The builders work through the heat and rain, their laughter lightened the weight of pain. Each beam they placed with steady care, their bond the strength that held it there. The villagers doubted, their hearts unsure. Can this house stand? Will it endure? It's not what we know, it's not what we see. Surely it's not how a house should be. Oh, build your house on love, strong stone, a foundation unshaken, forever known. When storms arise and the skies turn gray, a house built on love will never sway. Oh, trust in the hands that guide you through, for love is the strength that makes all things new. The storms may rage, the winds may cry, but love is the rock where hope won't die. It's not the form, but the heart that's true. A house built on love will shelter you. Don't judge the builders by what you see, for love is the thread of eternity. Together they stand, their work divine, a reflection of God's eternal design. The storms arrived with thunder's roar. Many homes fell, their walls no more, but the builder's house stood firm and strong. Its love endured all night long. The villagers came, their hearts amazed. Surely this house is blessed and praised. It's not the form, but the love inside that made it stand through the stormy tide. Unshaken, forever known. When storms arise and the skies turn gray, a house built on love will never sway. Oh, trust in the hands that guide you through, for love is the strength that makes all things new. The builders smiled, their work complete, a home of joy where hearts could meet. Jesus said, so must you live, with love the foundation, the gift you give. Oh, build your life on love, strong stone, a foundation unshaken, forever known. Let your heart be a shelter new, for love is the strength that carries you.